Hello and welcome to London Speech Workshop's video blog. So today we're going to talk about having authority in the workplace. Now there are two main elements to this, so we're going to explore both of them in turn. So the first one is about your nonverbal communication. Now it's really important when you're wanting to build that sense of authority and have your colleagues and the people around you respect you, that your body takes the space that it should and that you really behave in a way and show that you are worthy of that respect. So the first thing is your posture. So we can't have shoulders hunched forward, and that's 1 inch makes all the difference. You've got to be able to have your shoulders back. Imagine a string from the top of your head. That can be an easy way to do it. And that just allows you to really absorb and open up your body and absorb your space. The other thing is to make sure you don't have your hands and your elbows pinched to your sides, but that you let them free and you really use your body language and occupy the space. So those are two things in terms of your non-verbal communication. Next, in terms of your verbal communication, content is a big area in itself, but we can just take a moment to look at how you sound. So one key thing is not rushing when you speak. So just being able to speak steadily and to land your ideas. And we have a concept called delivery. So delivery of your ideas to the people that you're speaking to. So that means avoid at all costs going up at the end, upward inflection, for example. So what you want to be doing is having a gravity when you speak. We call that vocal gravity. So your sounds and your words and your ideas actually come down, they get delivered, like I'm doing now. And a little tip to help you do that, if you want to get it into your body, is to actually use your gesture where your hand comes up and comes down, and it can help remind you of this idea of vocal gravity. One other tiny thing is about pausing. So just being able to speak at a steady pace and to insert little pauses or beats, like I'm doing now, which allow for your listener to stay with you as you speak and for you to be speaking at the pace of your thoughts, or the pace maybe of other people's thoughts if your mind goes very quickly. It's a good idea to do because it means that people feel really respected as part of the communication dynamic, and that makes them feel safe and secure and believe in you, the speaker. So I hope those tips help and work for you, and please do give us feedback. We love to receive it. Thank you.